Sorry.
125 is not the answer, although it's closer.
Is it 5 to the 5th? No, that can't be.
Here we are. Here's my bookshelf.
5 to the 5th. Shush.
Here's my bookshelf. I'm going to put 5 books on that shelf. So here, pretend I have 5 books stacked here. I need to put a book in slot 1. How many choices do I have? 5. So that doesn't represent 5 books. That represents 5 choices. I could put the red book, the blue book, the yellow book, the green book, the black book. Okay? Now, I have put a book there. So now I have to put a book here. How many choices do I have now? 4. And then I'll have 3 and 2 and 1. And those get multiplied. Because you will learn as we proceed through this unit that whenever we're using the word and, I'm putting a book here, and I'm putting one here, and I'm putting one here. Whenever I'm doing and, it's a multiplier. So when I multiply those together, I get 120. 120.
So I was off by 5.
Now, what would be different if I had 7 books? It'd be the same thing. I just start with 7, 6. That's right. What if I had 20 books? Same thing. But now things are starting to get a little tedious because that would be 20 times 19, 18, 17. Easy. I got a calculator. I can do it. But it becomes very tedious. Luckily, your calculator will do that for you. When you start with a number, in our case 5, and you multiply by everything down the line till you get to 1, it's called a factorial. And the notation for 5 factorial is 5 with an exclamation point. That means, that notation means, start with 5, short, and 1 down. Okay? Now, on your calculator, type 5. And then, do math, click across the top menu to probability, and down and hit it, and it will calculate it for you. We're going to be doing a lot more work with factorial. So you don't want to do 5 times 4 times 2 times 3 times 1. You can always use that button. All right. Number 2. In how many ways can 9 people stand in a line? 9 factorial.
It's 9 explanation points.
Putting those people in a line is no different than lining our books. So 9 people in a line is going to be 9 factorial. And what is that?
9 explanation points is 362,880.
So 362,880?
It's because you put an exclamation point on it, so it makes it a little bigger deal.
Now, number 3. In how many ways can prizes be awarded for first, second, and third place in a race with 10 contestants? Now, do not say 10 factorial. I am not giving a prize to everybody. I'm only giving a prize to the top 3. Charlie?
Is it 10 times 9 times 8?
That's exactly what it is. I'm giving away 3 prizes. There are 10 options for me to give first place to. 10 different people can win. And now somebody's won, so there's only 9 for second and 8 for third. That is exactly right. That is not a full factorial, obviously. So you're going to literally type 10 times 8. All right, I have 8 jumpers and 10 shirts. How ways can I pick a jumper?
12 minus 10.
How many ways can I pick a jumper? These are called jumpers, but.
8.
How many ways can I pick a jumper?
8.
8. How many ways can I pick a shirt? 10. How many ways can I pick a jumper and a shirt? 80. 80. There will be times when we add, but we don't ever add if I'm doing a jumper and a shirt. That's always multiplied. All right, Mr. Ford has 5 sport coats, 12 shirts, and 10 pair of pants. Assuming that, everything matches, how many outfits does he have?
600.
Good, Royce.
5 times 12 times 10, 600, that's exactly right.
Mr. Ford, the lawyer.
No, he's an engineer. Who's actually gonna retire the end of May.
Go Boilermaker. That's awesome. Good for you.
Yep.
Putting the suit down and picking up some jeans.
Okay. We have 9 letters. Exactly. How many ways can you arrange those 9 letters? 9 factorial. Kids, when you are arranging things in a row, however many you got, it's that many factorial. If you are arranging them in a row. Whether they're books, people, letters, doesn't matter. So 9 factorial, the answer is 362,808.
Yeah, the answer.
No. So, if you give the answer, you write the answer. 9 factorial is not the answer. 9 factorial is how you get the answer, but you'll write
It's like the order of
362,808. Number 7. I'm going to sit down and take a quiz that has 10 true-false questions.
No, one explanation. No, I'm just don't even know.
2 to the 10.
6 to the 7.
Charlie, you're all over this. Charlie says 2 to the 10, and he's right. Kids, here's question 1.
There's 2 options 10 times.
How many options do I have for question 1? 2.
Charlie.
How many do I have for question 2? 2.
I might do the homework with you.
2. And since I'm answering question 1 and 2 and 3, I'm going to multiply those. So you can do 2 times itself 10 times, so Charlie said that's 2 to the 10th power. So I don't know what that is. Is that 20?
It's 1, 0,
Shut
0,
up,
0, 0, 0.
No, 2 to the 10th power.
1,000. You ever asked Siri what's 10 to the 100?
1,000.
1.
Good, yeah.
All right, number 8. How many ways can 4 prizes, different prizes, be given out if there are 10 people in the contest?
It's like the second and third. That'd be 4 to the 10. It's like, so there's 4. So it loses a person each time. So it's. Yeah.
10 people can win, then 9 and 8
Good teamwork right there.
All right. Number 9. We're going to make a license plates. And they are going to have 2 letters followed by 3 non-zero digits. So the license plates are going to have a letter and a letter, and then 3 numbers that are not 0. Okay, so you're going to have a letter and a letter, and then 3 numbers, but the numbers can't be 0. So, how many options?
26.
26.
Twice.
And another 26. Letters can repeat in a license plate.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, now I need a number that zero, a digit that isn't zero.
9.
9.
I can't breathe.
So I'm gonna look at that answer. That's stop with the noise, boys, please. So I got 493,800. Okay, that's okay, everybody? All right, let's look at the next one. How many plates are possible if nothing can repeat? So the license plate's gonna be built the same way, but you can't repeat.
Just 97.
So this would be 987. 2625. This number will be less, does that make sense to you? That the more restrictions you put in place, the fewer options you're gonna have. Right, number 11. Every morning when I'm up in the weight room, I'm listening to WIBC news on the radio. WIBC there's what we call the call sign. That's the call sign for that radio station. So your job is to make a call sign, but every letter is allowed. So how many call signs could we make?
4 to 26. So 4 to 26. No, sorry, I'm wrong.
26
6 times 26.
So 26 to the 4.
Yes, sorry.
If every letter is allowed, no restrictions, then there would be that many different call signs that you could make. That's number 11. Now, what about 12? I'm still making call signs, but now I cannot repeat.
Okay, so it would be 26, 25, 24.
Yeah,
Good.
all multiplied together. If no letters can repeat. Number 13 says no vowels.
21.
You're making a call sign,
It's 21.
and you can't use a vowel, so we'll take out the 5
Wait, what
vowels,
about sometimes a lot?
just the regular vowels. So then we have 21 consonants. And then the last one on the page says no vowels and no repetition.
21, 29.
So that was 11, 12, this is 13, and this is 14.
The first page.
All right,
What are these circles in a row?
all right. Number 15. A baseball team has 9 starters. How many different batting orders are possible? 9 factorial. Isn't creating the batting order the same as arranging in a row?
If you factor in DH,
Told you
You know what,
that.
batting order, we go to 62 times. I'm gonna get out of the go away.
I'm sorry.
Because you know, when there's weak top, you have to bring all the others have to be.
But Eli, you could bat first every time, and the line could be different every time.
You're really thought about it.
Fred, listen, the first one, the second one.
Are you really gonna
Like all the different, like, the number you do, 1 through 9 to the pick, 1 through 3, 1 through 4, 1 through 9.
But what if you factor in universal DH? Then that opens up like another question.
All right, number 16. Now we got the same baseball team, but now we decided that the pitcher, sorry, Sid, has to bat last. Okay? So, what? Listen to Charlie, 8 factorial. Why is it 8 factorial?
No, it's 9 minus 1.
So you take her out, and there's only 8 people that you're left to arrange.
Not that hard, bro.
What if the pitcher bats last and the best hitter bats third? 7 factorial. Because you are only arranging
It's PCA versus
together
left-handed.
7.
PCA versus left-handed, we may as well get it.
All right. Question 18 is our first exposure to a new idea. So let's look at question 18. We have 6 digits to choose from. All right, so we're only allowed to use these numbers. You are to figure out, if I'm only allowed to use those numbers, how many 1-digit numbers can I build? That's easy. 6. 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They repeat?
How about 2-digit numbers? How many 2-digit numbers can I build? Using just those numbers. 6 times 6. Think of a 2-digit number like 23, 54, 22, right? So there's 6 1-digits. There's 36 2-digits. And now I'm going to go with a 3-digit number. What would that be exactly? Which is 216. Now, I want you to build 1-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. How many do you have all together? Add them up. Add them up. When you are building this kind of a number, or this kind of a number, or this kind of number, you're going to add them up. So I have told you, some of you are listening, some of you aren't, I've told you something really important today. If you're an and, you're going to multiply your numbers. If you're an or, you're going to add your numbers. Every one of these problems is a word problem. You're going to have to read it carefully and decide, is this an and or is this an or? These get added up, so the answer will be what? Is that 2 is the and. So all together, all right, now we're about ready to embark on another crazy idea. I've got the word Chevy, which has 5 letters. The question is, how many ways can I arrange those 5 letters?
25.
Those 5 letters.
120. Oh, wait, shit.
Just 5 letters. How many ways can I arrange 5 letters in a row? So they're talking about things like, okay, I've got this one, then this
Oh, it was
one.
really.
See, that would be another word.
It's the same as the book.
Same as the books. Yeah.
Unless, I guess they put 2 of the same letters.
Yeah, that's why I was confused, that's why I was.
There are 2 the same letters.
Yeah, but if they did.
But wait,
Well,
that's
you
where
do,
we're headed.
that's why it says.
Oh, then wouldn't we just get rid of one and do the 100?
How many ways can we arrange 5 letters in a row, 5 factorial? So look at the next problem. Now we have the word Precal. How many ways can we arrange those letters? 6 factorial. Easy peasy.
Yeah.
6 things in a row is 6 factorial, period. Now, I want you to skip, we'll come back, but I want you to skip down to number 23. 23 is the word precalculus. many letters is that?
11 factorial.
So we start with 11 factorial. There are 11 letters in that word, and I don't care if some of them match or not, doesn't matter, there's 11 things. I'm gonna arrange 11 letters. But some of them are the same, and I have to account for that, as you guys have already recognized. So I'm gonna divide by each repeated letter factorial. So this is what I mean. I have 2 C's, so I divide by 2 factorial. That takes care of my C's. What else do I have? 2 L's, so I divide by another 2 factorial. Each letter is separate. What else do I have?
2 U's.
2 U's, another 2 factorial. If I had 3 of something, I'd be dividing by 3 factorial. Now, I need everybody to type this in, because this is a problem where sometimes we get the wrong answer. So I'll just be still for a second, you type it in. And if you don't get 4,989,600, you have the wrong answer. This is the right answer. So let's see if we can all type this in and get that.
I got 22. No, I didn't put factorial.
Got it.
All right, is everybody getting that? Make sure you're dividing by all of these. This is a triple division. You're dividing, 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 not the whole thing. All right, number 24 is Mississippi. Same concept. What do we do? Start with 11 factorial. There's 4 S's,
4 eyes,
4 I's,
2 B's.
2 B's. So that one is,
That's good, Mike.
that one is 34,650.
How are you typing that on the calculator?
Well, on my calculator, which is an old one, like you have, it's that divided by this, divided by this, divided by this. It's all being divided.
Does it matter, when we divide it?
All right.
But can I ask?
Yep.
So if, let's say we did that with books where we had like 2 copies of the same book,
Yep,
and it
same
asked
thing.
us, but I feel like if it asked us to arrange it, like I feel like you could still.
It's the same thing. If they're identical books, anything that's identical is going to get divided out.
Well, I feel like if I was like literally arranging books that way, that wouldn't matter. Because it's the same. Or do you just assume that they're getting put
Well,
together in the same
If, no, if you, let's say you have 2 identical blue books.
Yeah.
If you put them here, so this is the first one, that's the second one, that would look the same as this.
Yeah.
So that way you.
Oh,
divide
gotcha.
it
Okay,
out.
that makes sense.
I get what you were saying.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like,
Like technically, you still look like it look the same.
yeah. Like if I put like
You can physically move
Yeah,
it,
that's what I was
but it looks the same.
so like let's say then I put like a black mark on one of the books, then
Then they're different.
yeah.
All right, last one, number 21. How many social security numbers are possible if all arrangements are are possible.
Is this how I calculate 987 social security?
Social security numbers look like this, right?
That's it. 575.
Now, if all arrangements are possible, how many numbers could go in this spot?
10.
Social security numbers can have zeros in them, mine does.
Ooh, what is it?
All arrangements possible. How many here? 10, 10, 10, all the way down. So that is, I believe, a billion. 10, 9, yeah, it's a billion. So what happens if there's more than a billion? Great question, Alden. Any thoughts on that?
None.
People get the same.
Well, you could go back to people who have been dead for 100 years and recycle them, or add it on. That's probably what they'll do. They'll say everybody born after 2020 has an additional social security. All right, have a great day.
Well, that's it for the week.
This is Charlotte's unit right here. Maybe he'll turn up tomorrow.
Maybe
Maybe he'll turn up tomorrow this year.
No tango El Clasico.
No tango. You're actually a
Have a good week for this one.
You too. And good job in the